Hello everyone. Are you finding trouble in making a flow for your classes, a vinyasa flow for your classes, especially for the beginner to intermediate level? Then this video is for you. Myself Barkha, a certified yoga instructor, hereby bringing you a vinyasa flow covering the different topics. For example, the back bending, the lateral extensions, twisting, hand strengthening, balancing, forward bending. So complete 6 topics I would be covering this whole week, and daily, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, I will be bringing a flow of a different topic, and that you can use for your classes, for teaching in the classes, and most importantly you can use it for your own practice. So for example, if you want to do any advanced asana related to back bending and you don't know how to do the warm up, then if you will do this flow of back bending and then you will directly jump into the advanced asana, any advanced asana like Purna Ustrasana, Purna Bhujangasana, Purna Dhanurasana, then your body will be completely prepared for that asana. First thing. Second thing, if you are teaching to a beginner to intermediate level practitioner, and if you want to, if you want to enhance your class, then you can add this flow, you can introduce this flow for them. So it's a very good warm up for the practitioners also and for the yoga teachers also. So everyone, let's come and we'll start with the flow. So the first flow which you are going to do, which you are going to practice today, is the flow of twisting. And with each posture we are going to hold for 3 counts. So you can do along with me, or please, before starting the video, I would request you all to please share and subscribe my channel so that this video is saved for you for the lifelong purpose, and whenever you will open my channel, open my video, the video will be there in front of you. So please share and subscribe this channel now. So let's start with the twisting flow. So we'll start the flow while sitting in Vajrasana. So you need to sit onto the end of the mat. Okay. So first we'll start with the basic stretches and then slowly and steadily we'll increase the pace of the flow. So we'll start. Both the hands at the front. Inhale, exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, center, exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, center, exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, center, exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, center, exhale, twist to the right. Now hold, take a twist completely. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now we'll switch to the other side. Inhale, center, exhale, hold to the left side. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now inhale, both the hands up. Now take your left hand on your right knee. Right hand at the back, take a twist to the right side. Inhale, center, exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, center, exhale to the right. Inhale, center, exhale to the left. Now inhale, center, exhale, twist to the right. We'll hold everybody. So take your twist from your right chest, right shoulder and neck. Hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Inhale, center, right hand on your left knee, left hand at the back. Take a twist from your left chest, left shoulder and neck. Hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now inhale, center, both the hands up, come on your knees, everybody stand on your knees. Now we'll twist to the right side, so keep your left hand on your right buttock, right hand to the left heel and look towards the left heel and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now we'll switch to the other side. Inhale, both the hands up, take your right hand to the left buttock, left hand to the right heel, look towards the right heel and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now inhale, center, exhale, drop your hands down. We'll come in a Marjariyasana, tuck your toes in. In Marjariyasana, make sure your buttock and knee one line and your shoulders and wrist in one line. Now inhale, right hand up, exhale, right hand below the left armpit. We'll do it 3 times. Inhale up, exhale, right hand below the left armpit. Inhale up, hold everybody. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Exhale, go inside completely. First we'll hold here. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now raise your left hand up. Take a maximum twist to the right side and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now left hand close, left bicep close to your ear. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now come back. Now we'll switch the side, everybody. Inhale, left hand up. Exhale, left hand below the right hand. Inhale, left hand up. Exhale, bend your right elbow and take your left hand below the right elbow. Now inhale, left hand up and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Exhale, keep your left hand below the right elbow, will hold here. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now raise your right hand up, make a maximum twist, take your right hand maximum back and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now right bicep close to ears, hold everybody. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now slowly come back in a Marjariyasana. Now take your toes out at the edge of the mat, everybody. And now inhale, lift up, will go in Adho Mukha Svanasana. Make sure in Adho Mukha Svanasana your legs are mat level distance apart. And now catch hold of your right ankle from your left hand and take your neck out from your between your both the hands and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now we'll switch the side. Now catch hold of your left ankle from your right hand and now try to take your neck out below your between your both the hands and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now from here we'll jump back in Malasana. So how to jump, everybody? Spine back, heels up, knee bend, roll the buttock up, look between your palms, jump up and forward, come in a Malasana. Make a good Malasana, everybody. Now keep pushing your knee from your elbow, spine should be straight, chest up, chin up and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now we'll do twisting in Malasana. So just take your right hand forward and now wrap your right hand while doing the external rotation of your shoulder and take it to the spine, and left hand from the back, try to grab your right palm from your left hand and take a twist towards your left side, left shoulder back, left neck back and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now we'll switch the side, we'll do with the left side. Left hand forward, again do the external rotation, wrap your left hand towards your left knee and now right hand from the back, grab it and take a twist from your right shoulder and neck. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now slowly drop your hands down, come up. We'll come in a Padhastasana. So hands at the sides of your foot and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now take your left hand at the side of your right foot, right hand on your hip joint, take a twist from your right chest, right shoulder and neck and right hand up. Parivrati Padhastasana. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Slowly drop your hands down in Padhastasana. We'll hold in Padhastasana. 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now take your left leg back, drop it maximum back, left knee down, toes flat, spine inline on your buttocks. We'll go for Anjaneyasana. Both the hands up and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now tuck your toe in, lift your knee up, go in a low lunge position and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now bend forward and now take your left tricep to your right thigh. Take a complete twist and then make a Namaste. Both the elbows should be in one line. Keep twisting and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Slowly drop your knee down. Toes flat, Parivrati Anjaneyasana. Keep holding. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now drop your left hand down. Try to straighten your right knee. While straightening the right knee, pull the right toe up. And now right hand on your hip joint. Take a twist from your chest, shoulder and neck. And then after maintaining a balance, lift your right hand up and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now slowly drop your hands down. We'll again come forward in Padhastasana and hold here. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. From Padhastasana, go in Utkatasana while touching your chest on your thighs, hand extended forward. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now keep your left tricep to your right thigh. We'll go for Parivrati Utkatasana. Make a Namaste. and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Drop your left hand down, right hand up and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Again Utkatasana, hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now we'll switch the side, right tricep to the left thigh. First make a namaste, everybody twist to the left side. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now right hand down, left hand up, hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now from here, straight your complete knee, Parivrati Padhastasana. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Come back in Padhastasana. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. This time take your right leg back, right knee down, toes flat. Go in Anjaneyasana, both the hands up. Hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Bend your, tuck your right toe in. Lift your knee up, go in a low lunge position and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now bend forward. Now take your right tricep to your left thigh. Take a maximum twist while maintaining the balance and namaste from both the hands and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Slowly drop your right knee down, toes flat. Parivrati Anjaneyasana to the left side. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Drop your right hand and then left hand on a hip joint. While straightening your left knee, try to lift your left toe up. Take a twist and try to make a balance and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now very importantly, how to come back. Everybody first take your hands inside and now turn your toe towards the frontal side. Heel and toe one line. Take your hand at the center, toes in, knee up, and now turn your body. Come in this position of Prasarita Padottanasana and we'll hold here. Now in Prasarita Padottanasana, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now we'll do Parivrati Prasarita Padottanasana. So left hand at the center, right hand on a hip joint. Take a twist from your right chest, right shoulder and neck, and then right hand up. Make sure both the shoulders are in one line and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now grab your right ankle from your left hand and right bend the elbow of the right hand and try to take your right hand to the left thigh, everybody. Keep taking a twist and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Slowly come at the center. Now we'll switch the side. This time right hand at the center, left hand on a hip joint. Take a twist from your left chest, left shoulder and neck, and then left hand up and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now grab your left ankle from your right hand, bend your left elbow, try to take your left hand to the right thigh, but make sure body at the center and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now slowly come back again in Prasarita Padottanasana. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now from here we'll go in a Kali Asana. So lift your heel up 45 degree in, bend your knee. Lift your other heel up 45 degree in, bend your knee. So first make a complete squat position. Make sure your knee and heel comes at 90 degree. Now we'll keep our right hand on the right knee, left hand on the left knee. Now we'll twist to the right side. So while twisting to the right side, take your left shoulder at the center and right shoulder back and keep twisting. Keep pushing your right shoulder back and left shoulder at the center and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now switch. Now right shoulder at the center and push the left shoulder back and keep taking a twist and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Slowly come back from here. Turn your body to the frontal side and now go back in Adho Mukha, everybody, and hold in Adho Mukha. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now in Adho Mukha we'll go for the pigeon stretch. So first take your right leg in a L-shaped position, left leg completely back, try to sit, and now keep your left forearm parallel to your shin bone, right hand on your hip joint, take a twist from your right chest, right shoulder and neck and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now slowly go back again Adho Mukha. Hold in Adho Mukha again. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now we'll slide forward and we'll go in Bhujangasana. So completely slide forward and go in shoulders back, elbow close, Bhujangasana. Hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now Triyak Bhujangasana. Turn your neck to the right side and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Left side. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Go back in Adho Mukha, everybody. Hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now we'll do the pigeon stretch from the left leg now. So keep your left leg in a L-shaped position. Slide your right leg. Try to sit on your right thigh. Body weight not to that side. Transfer your weight to the right side. And now keep your right forearm parallel to your shin bone. Left hand on your hip joint. Take a twist from your left chest, left shoulder and neck. Hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Come back. Go in Adho Mukha. And now from Adho Mukha, just relax in Sashankasana for a while for next 2 to 3 deep breaths. Now from Sashankasana, we'll again do the twisting in Sashankasana. So keep your left forearm in line completely at the front of the knees. Right hand on your hip joint. Take a twist from the right shoulder, right chest and neck and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. We'll repeat the same with the other side. Right forearm onto the mat. Left hand on your hip joint. Take a twist from your left chest, left shoulder and neck and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Slowly come up. Now keep your both the hands to the left side. Take your leg out and try to sit in a Dandasana. Now we'll start doing the seated postures of twisting. So first posture, everybody. Inhale, both the hands up. Exhale, twist to the right side. Now grab your right toe from your left hand and right hand back. Take a twist and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now lift your right leg up. Parivrati Kronchasana. Hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Bend your right leg. Keep your right foot at the side of your left knee. Grab your right knee from your left hand. Now right hand at the back of your lower buttock, left buttock and take a twist from your right chest, right shoulder and neck and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Come back. Inhale, both the hands up. Now we'll switch the side. Twist to the left side. Now hold your left foot from your right hand and then right hand at the back. Take a twist. Left hand at the back. Take a twist from the left chest, left shoulder. Hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now lift your left leg up. Parivrati Kronchasana. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Bend your left leg. Keep your left foot at the side of your right knee. Grab your left knee from the right hand. Now drop your left hand onto the mat and start taking a twist to the left side. Twist from your left chest, left shoulder and neck. Hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now slowly come back in Dandasana. Dandasana, we'll open the legs slightly mat level distance apart and we'll go in Bhunamanasana. So both the hands up, twist to the right side. Now take your right hand to the outer edge of the mat, left hand to the right side of the mat and try to bend your elbow and try to touch your head if you can at the center of your hands and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Slowly come up. Inhale, both the hands up. Exhale, twist to the left side and now keep your left hand to the outer edge of the mat, right hand to the left side of the mat and then try to touch your head onto the center of the mat. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Slowly come back. Now open your hands at the sides, open your legs wider. We'll go for Parivrati Upavishta Konasana. So take your left hand to the right foot, right hand at the back and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Twist to the other side, right hand to the left foot, left hand back. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now slowly both the hands up, close your legs. We'll go in Naukasana. Hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Parivrati Naukasana. Twist to the right side and make a Namaste. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Other side. Om 1, Om 2, 3. Slowly lie down on your back. Go in Ardha Halasana. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Now take your both the hands in line with your shoulder. We'll go for the Markatasana variation. So take your both the legs together to the right side. Completely drop your both the legs to the right side and hold. 1, 2, 3. Lift your leg up. Take your leg at 90 degree. Inhale. With exhalation, take your both the leg to the right side and neck to the left side and hold. 1, 2, 3. Slowly lift your leg up. Now take your left leg down. Bend your right knee. We'll go the other variation of Markatasana. Catch hold of your right knee from the left hand and drop your right leg completely to the left side and neck to the right side and hold. 1, 2, 3. Slowly come back. We'll switch the leg now. Straight your right leg. Bend your left leg. Catch hold of your left knee from your right hand and take your left knee completely to the right side, neck to the left side and hold. 1, 2, 3. Center. Now both the legs together. Take your knee to the chest. Now we'll go for Pavan Muktasana twisting. So take your both the leg to the right side, neck to the left side and hold. 1, 2, 3. Center. Take your both the legs to the left side, neck to the right side and hold. 1, 2, 3. Center. Just relaxed in Pavan Muktasana everybody for 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now slowly go in Shavasana. Just relax your body. Here we end our twisting flow. So everyone, hope you liked the flow. So please do practice it at your home. And if you find any difficulty in doing any particular asana or if you have any doubt, you can just write me in the comment box and I will answer your query there only. So friends, stay tuned for the next flow, and the next flow which I would be bringing you for tomorrow is the flow of hand strengthening, everybody. So hand strengthening is again a very good warm-up for strengthening your hands, and it involves all the intermediate and beginner level asanas. So hope you will stay tuned with me tomorrow also, everybody. So at last also I would request you all to please share and subscribe my channel now, because every day I will be bringing something new for you. Thank you so much. Jai Shri Ram.